the min function. So the min function is a function used to find the lowest number in a set of values. Okay, so for example, you have the set of values over here from 1 to 9 in this column. So the lowest number that you can see in this column is 1. So we can use the min function to find this lowest value. So you can say equals min, open bracket, highlight the cells you want to look through to find the lowest value, and hit enter. And 1 is returned. So let's have a look at this example, find the lowest number from the range of cells given. So as always, equals min, open bracket, going to highlight the values you want to look through. So it's going to look from C4 to C24, find the lowest value, and just by eye it looks like it's 2 in this column. So when you hit enter, we should expect 2 to be returned, which it is, which is correct. And let's just do this one. So equals min, highlight the values you want to look through, close bracket, enter. So that is the min function.